Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to do multiplication of rational numbers. We will be solving these examples in this video. These examples are from class 8 syllabus. So let's start with our first example. So the first example is we have two rational numbers 3 by 5 and negative 7 by 8. When multiplying two rational numbers, we'll do the multiplication of numerators together. So these two numerators 3 and negative 7 will come together with a multiplication sign in between, and the denominators will come together. As there is a multiplication sign in between the two rational numbers, both the numerators and denominators will get multiplied. We can cancel out the terms with the common factors, but here there are no common factors. We'll write it as 3 times negative 7 is negative 21 and 5 times 8 is 40. So the final answer is negative 21 by 40. Let's move on to our next example, which is negative 6 by 11 times negative 5 by 3. Here too we'll do the product of numerators and denominators separately. So negative 6 times negative 5 divided by 11 times 3. Now we have 3 and 6 with a common factor of 3. So we can cancel out these. So 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. The negative sign will remain there, and now we have negative 2 times negative 5 divided by 11. Now 5 times 2 is 10, and negative will become positive, so this will be plus 10 divided by 11. So our final answer is 10 by 11. Let's move on to a third example, which is 5 by negative 18 times 9 by negative 9 by 20. So 5 and negative 9 will get multiplied in the numerator, and negative 18 and 20 will get multiplied in the denominators. Here we see that we have negative 9 and negative 18 with a common factor of 9. So this is 9 times 1 and 9 times 2. The negative sign in the numerator and denominator will get cancelled. Also 5 and 20 have a common factor of 5. So 5 times 1 and 5 times 4. So we are left with 1 times 1 in the numerator, and the denominator is 2 times 4, which is equal to 1 by 8. So our final answer is 1 by 8. Let's move on to our next example. So fourth example is 16 by negative 21 times 14 by 5. The numerator of one rational number will get multiplied by the numerator of the other, and the denominator of one will get multiplied with the denominator. Now we see that we have a common factor of 7 in between 14 and 21. 7 times 2 is 14 and 7 times 3 is 21. We are left with 16 times 2 in the numerator and negative 3 times 5 in the denominator. So 16 times 2 is 32 and negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. So our answer will be negative 32 by 15. The negative sign, whether it is in the numerator or denominator, it will be with the rational number. So you can put the negative sign in between to show that it is with the rational number, or you can even show this in the denominator or in the numerator. So this is how we do multiplication of rational numbers. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.